If you're selling templates or running a WaaS business on InstaWP, you'll want to get paid. And that starts with setting up your payout method. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process of setting up the payout method in InstaWP. First, go to the Sell menu, click to expand it, and you'll see a payout option. Go ahead and click that. This is your payout page. Since you haven't connected an account yet, you'll see a setup account button right there. Clicking that, you can view two options, company and individual. Since InstaWP handles payouts through Stripe, you'll need to set up your Stripe account from here. Enter your email address, your phone number and the verification code. Next, provide your business and bank account details such as the IFSC code and the account number. Confirm your bank account details, review your account details and then click Agree and Continue. Once you have finished the Stripe setup, InstaWP will bring you right back to your dashboard. And here's how you know that you're all set. On the payouts page, you'll see a banner that says your payout account is now active. You'll also spot a login link to your Stripe dashboard right there. That's where you can check your balance, review your transactions and manage your payouts anytime. And that's it. Your payout account is live and you're ready to start receiving payments.